You know, 5.8 trillion coins of Terra Classic to 7 billion coins of Terra Classic. I remember reading, I remember that that was about last year. I remember everything where we were also talking about LUSC having just 10 billion coins. And right now, no one is talking about that because everyone knows what is really going on for Terra Classic. Now, so let me just remind you a little bit what happened before the tax bond was fully launched, and then the meeting they have, and then the general, I think some of the things they said. They actually, someone raised a question about when will the tax bond stopped, and of course the answer given to the person was when the supply gets to 10 billion, right? But I still believe at the point where we are right now, at the point where Terra Classic is right now, destroying 5.87 trillion coins is not going to be an easy one. That is the truth. Burning 5.87 trillion is definitely going to be. Imagine LUNC having just 7 billion coins. We are already seeing 6 points, and imagine this coin having just 7 billion circulating, 7 billion coins into circulating as a circulating supply. What do you think will happen? The truth is, this dream of Terra Classic having just 7 billion, though I'm bringing it back down to 7 million because what they actually said was about 10 billion. Okay, so I'm taking 10 billion as the total supply, or maybe that's what they actually mean. Then I'm talking about circulating supply. Okay, now if you have a circulating supply of about 7 billion coins, I'm telling you, LUNC you see today might be trading at $1 or $5. Even you might be seeing Terra Classic coin trading at $10. But can this happen? I don't think so. It's definitely going to be difficult. Yes. So for me, LUNC should be the coin where don't think of $1. Don't even think of 10 cents. Okay, right now what you should be thinking of is below 1 cent. 1 cent, 70 cent, 80 cent, 50 cent, 30 cent, 10 cent. Yes. No. I'm very sorry. What am I saying? You should be thinking below 1 cent. Okay, I'm sorry, below 1 cent. So you're talking about 1 cent, 0.90 cent, 0.80 cent, 0.50 cent, 0.40 cent, 0.10 cent. So that is what we should be talking about. Terra Classic can definitely reach 1 cent, but not $1. They can reach 2 cents, they can reach 10 cents, they can reach. It is true, but for $1, I don't think it is possible. $5, I don't think it's possible, but anything below $1 can be possible for Terra Classic LUNC. And if this happens, definitely I'll be very happy. So that's why I believe we should be thinking right now. You should have a goal. I'm thinking about 1 cent, I'm thinking about 10 cents, whatever you have, or you're thinking about 0.0, 0.05, 0.09, whatever you think that is where you want to cash out, it is good for you. So have a plan for Terra Classic. Is this, have a plan to pull out. Don't wait for $1 because I don't think it will ever happen. Remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.